Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannering Style 101. Today we are going to be decorating my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. It is for the week of October 3rd through the 9th, and this is a vertical layout. So I was going through all of my books and flipped through so many because it's so hard to decide what to do. And especially when your collection grows, I'm not sure if you guys are having the same kind of symptoms as I am, but when I have way too many things to choose from, it's much harder for me. So I am going through a few of my books and seeing what I want to use. And I think I'm going to go with the original fall florals from Calva Plan. She had these beautiful sunflowers. So there's still sunflowers all around me, like in the back of our yard, because we live like in an area where some wildflowers grow. So I figured that might as well add this beautiful stickers. We do have also like the other yellow wildflowers. I don't know what they are, but it is gorgeous, like absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down, which is a big chunk. It's going to take a lot of your planner, so be mindful of that. If you have a busy week and you need every single area to write in, this might not be the spread for you this week. However, if you have a lighter week, or you already know like what you're going to do, or you can make a list on a separate page, sometimes like I do, this might be the thing for you. It is a thing for me this week because I really wanted to look at these beautiful sunflowers in my spread. So I'm going to go ahead and add some boxes, some checklists, and so on. I think that might be very fun. So I'm going to start with layering some boxes down. And those will be mostly for like big events or appointments. So that's where my boxes will be going. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys are doing this week. If you're doing florals like I am, or if you're doing something else. I'm always curious to see what other people are doing. I'm gonna take all of these little bullet points from Calva Plan, and I'm gonna make to-do lists out of these. So this will be a bit time consuming, but you will see when I'm finished what it looks like. It is so cute. So I'm going to kind of go down the gradient of colors, and then use, instead of using each day a different color, I'm gonna use all the same colors throughout all the days. So here we go. So that's kind of how I'm gonna do dark green, black, light green, and so on. And I think this looks so beautiful and it matches the spread so perfectly. Okay, so I have a couple things going on that I need to put in here. Okay, I need definitely more boxes. I'm gonna add this black one up here to bring in some of the darker tones, and then I'm gonna put this one in the sidebar again to balance out the dark tones. Okay, and then I think I want to add some more yellows to fill in the spread really quick. So let's see. Let's add this one right here. I think that will do very, very well. And then one right here. Yep, I think that looks good. And then I'm gonna grab Mojo Jojo neutral boxes, and I'm gonna pull out some blacks and add my work schedule. So I do keep track of my hours for work. Perfect. And then a bigger box for Saturday, as I do have an event that I'm going to. And then a couple boxes on Sunday, because again, Sunday will be a busy day. Like, I was thinking we're gonna have a bit of a more relaxing day on Sunday, but I don't think so. So here we go. And that's pretty much it. That's my whole spread. I hope you guys enjoyed making this with me. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. And I hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. I'll see you for another plan with me very shortly. Just really quickly cutting out these little holes to make sure I can pop my pages back in. But again, thanks for joining, and bye.